Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I will tell you how can you fix shake to undo not working on iPhone. As many iPhone users facing this issue, so I will tell you how can you fix this issue. So let's start the video without wasting any time, but first subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So the first thing you should go for is check if shake to undo is enabled on your iPhone or not. So the first step to fixing shake to undo not working on iPhone is to ensure that the feature is enabled. For this, go to your iPhone settings app, scroll down and then tap on accessibility and then tap on touch and enable shake to undo option and you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart of your iPhone can fix issues like shake to undo not working. Restarting the iPhone helps refresh the system, which can help fix any bugs or issues that might be preventing shake to undo from working. For this, go to your settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and here you will see the option of shutdown. Tap on it and shut your phone down, and after some time turn it on again and you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone software. If shake to undo is still not working on your iPhone after restarting, you may need to update your iPhone software. Sometimes bugs in the software can cause shake to undo not to work correctly. For this, go to your settings, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. If you see there is any update available, then download and install the latest version of your iPhone and you are done. And the next step is turn off reduce motion. Some users have reported that the reduce motion feature on their iPhone interferes with the shake to undo features. For this, go to your settings, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on accessibility and then tap on motion and turn off reduce motion and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.